It's a four-way race to the presidential elections with three of the contenders women. That's according to Manila Standard columnist Rudy Romero. In his column, Romero named Vice President Leni Robredo, Senator Cynthia Villar, and Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte as among the possible presidential contenders. He said Senator Panfilo Lacson could also run for president. Romero said Robredo is a shoo-in as the Liberal Party's presidential nominee. While Duterte is also a strong contender because her father is the president. Romero explained Villar could run for president for getting the number one spot in the election for senators. As for Lacson, Romero said the senator would run because there is no other strong male contender in sight.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.